Let's learn IIB. Today, we will fix the encoding error that we noticed in yesterday's video. Yesterday's video demoed how to send Excel file using email output node, link in description. We were able to successfully send Excel file through SMTP server, but when we downloaded the file after transfer, it complains that the file is corrupt. I was able to modify EC code and generate Excel files of two different encoding, UTF-8 and ANSI. Both the ANSI file and UTF-8 file downloaded from SMTP server complains that the file is corrupted. You see three Excel files on screen. Two files were downloaded from SMTP server, one from HTTP call. File generated by a Microsoft Excel application was in ANSI encoding. When IIB read that file, the encoding is 5348 character set, which is ANSI. I disconnected the SMTP server and downloaded the file using browser and HTTP GET call. I got a MHT file which represents my message. From the my message, I extracted Excel file and it was in ANSI encoding. So the file was read in as ANSI, it was transferred to SMTP server as ANSI. Then at what stage is the file getting corrupted? Now I have made sure that I follow the same character set in all locations. Character set should not be hard coded. It should be dependent on input root, properties, coded char set ID. Encoding might not be the only problem here. Observe that text file attachments is not properly displayed on screen. Attachment count is shown as 1 instead of 2, which is the expected value. By changing fields content type and content disposition, I was able to send 2 attachments instead of 1. Read about MIME domain, multi-part mixed and multi-part related content type in email. At last, I fixed the bug in Excel file and transferred and tested it. I was able to send 2 attachments, one text file and another Excel file. Then downloaded both files and verified its contents. These are the changes that were applied to fix the bug. 1. Use the same CCS ID everywhere. Use CCS ID from input root, properties, coded char set. Second, use content disposition to inform SMTP server not to display attachments as inline content. 3. Use base64 content transfer encoding for binary file. Most of you will be satisfied with this bug fix. For the experts in my audience who are not satisfied with base64 fix, let me know in comments. We can discuss the possibility of sending ANSI data using 8-bit content transfer encoding. I will need your help. You will have to test few scenarios that I suggest. Reply in comments.